So, you want to make money on YouTube from day one. on YouTube. That's the story we're told from Joshua Mayo and Make Money Matt. These two videos. Make money from day one, make money from day one. Make Money Matt, Joshua Mayo. Naturally, I love the sound of that and I'm sure you do too. So today what I'm doing is I've picked through both of those videos and implemented and gave it a try. If you don't want to wait until the end, I've made a channel completely from scratch, not this one, implementing both of their advice, trying to make money from day one. Unfortunately, 2 weeks in, we've still not made any money, but the principle seems like it might still take effect. So a brief overview of both of their videos. Joshua Mayo is looking to make money mainly from product reviews, and a word he uses, listicle, which doesn't sound real to me, but he uses it a lot. Listicle reviews, where he talks about, and he's sort of leaning on Amazon affiliates to try and make money from day one. Seems simple enough. Make Money Matt's video is a lot more about affiliate links again, but not through Amazon, through something that's a bit more upmarket, costs a lot more for a consumer, and also meaning that you have a higher percentage. He more leans towards digital things and talks about his own digital products a lot throughout his video. So the criteria for both of their videos is that they want them to be easy to make, they want them to be faceless, so that they can eventually be automated and run and have a whole world of their own without them being involved, I assume. So to break this down, they do it in about 4 steps. I've made all the notes, but I had to stop halfway through and turn it to digital notes, because as you all know, I'm a father of 3. I have a wife who goes to uni, so that's why making money from day one appeals to me massively, as I have a lot of time commitments already. So if I can get something and start rolling with it from day one, I'm there, I'm interested, I'm invested. Now I have to say kudos to Joshua Mayo, because he actually motivated me to take action and do stuff and try and work towards this goal that I've had for more years than I care to admit. But he actually motivated me and got me along with his story and made it so that I took action. So I have to say a huge thanks to Joshua Mayo for that. And then I also have to say that Matt, even though he's young, he's got a lot of video and a lot of content out there which sort of follow the same sort of branch. So I would say they're both worth a watch, definitely. I'm a fan of both. So how it starts, Joshua Mayo's video is he goes through the importance of making a channel. So he makes his channel, that's step 1, makes sense. Now when you're watching Matt's video, he doesn't actually do it in step 1, he does it in step 3, which is a little confusing, but it definitely flows a lot better in Joshua's video. The main things that Joshua uses for this are Google Gemini, the AI tool, so you could use Gemini or ChatGPT to come up with names, ideas, all that sort of stuff. And he also uses Canva to come up with the art that he does. So like the display picture, thumbnails, banner art, all that sort of stuff, he just uses Canva, the free option as well. Now where Matt starts is he jumps in with just doing research initially, and this is also Joshua's step 2. So Joshua uses Gemini for the main part of this, and he also uses, WordStream to compare against Google searches, and that's how he does his keyword research. And he gives you some examples and talks you through how he does this. He does it very step by step, so you could literally follow along, and that is actually what I do in my videos that I will show you right at the end, so make sure you stick by and see what I actually do and what I have actually done. So Matt takes a slightly different approach, and he doesn't use Gemini, he uses YouTube itself to find video ideas. He also relies on vidIQ, which again is something that I'm a big fan of, big advocate of, and it's something that I use. Now hopefully I'll be putting links to both of those things down below so that you can have a go yourself. I'm not sponsored by any of them, but they may be affiliate links if I can get my grubby mitts on an affiliate link for them, and that will help me, that will help the channel, and hopefully it will help you as well. Now Matt doesn't use Canva for his channel art, he uses a program called Snapper. I haven't actually used Snapper, so I can't comment on it. Then it comes to actually making the content. At this point, they go different directions. So Matt, for example, uses story blocks, Pixabay, plexels, and he gives you a whole plethora of things that you can use and gives you a whole lot of options, or almost an overwhelming amount of options. Whereas this is where I think Joshua does it a whole lot better, in the sense that he breaks it down and he goes through Invideo. So Matt does throw up a whole lot of options at this point and goes over how he would edit the videos as well. And he gives you about 7 different options for each section, giving a quick overview of their pros and cons. Whereas Mayo tells you exactly how he's going to do it. So he uses Invideo. Now he does give you an affiliate link for him where you get some freebies where they will create the AI content for you. I'm hoping to get a similar link to help you guys out there, because it doubles what you get, so you get more bang for your buck. But it does mean you have to spend money, which I was hesitant about initially, because like I said, I've got a family, I don't want to be wasting money here and there. But I gave it a go, so I tried it. I thought I have to give it a good go. Like I said, Joshua's video well and truly inspired me to take action and to try and create things and make it work. So Mayo goes through how he would select his videos, what he would do, and exactly what he types into Invideo. It's very detailed, and he goes through the whole thing, really breaks it down, really goes into a lot of detail, and he tells you all the prompts that he types in there, so you can copy and paste, which is what I did. I actually did that, just copied and pasted what he said. I will put the templates somewhere for you to see, just comment if I haven't, and I'll put them there. You can copy those templates as well. So this is where Mayo sort of falls a bit short though, because he's really held your hand the whole way through. He gets the rough cut of his video. Sorry, I had to slip off. So as I was saying, Mayo's videos sort of then fall a bit short. They give you all the way up to his rough draft and what he would change and how he changes it, and then leaves it as if that's the end of it. But after reviewing the video and the videos that he makes, he definitely takes it away and does a little bit extra and polishes them up and neatens his videos so they're a bit more professional and look a lot nicer. He brushes over how he collects some of his footage and the imagery that he uses in those videos and what he puts in Invideo. And these are the parts which, after you've been following along with him and he's been holding your hand the whole time, they're the main roadblocks that you'll get, is where do I get my images, where do I get the stock footage, and also how do I give it that extra polished look. But that's just a bit of criticism. Obviously he's not going to give you all the keys to the castle, but I tried anyway. Then it comes up to the end of the video, he uploads it, he gives you a link to the actual video so you can review what he's put. You can be quite blown away because it has that more of a polished feel as well. So my main takeaways from Matt's videos really are that he seems to have a strong portfolio behind him of him being able to do this. So he seems like quite a reputable person, and he seems like he definitely has this down. But this current video is more of an overview from his point of view. I think if you went to his channel and watched a playlist, I think you'd be in a better position to go ahead and start implementing some of the tactics that he talks about in that video. Whereas Mayo's video is a lot more hold your hand, walk you across, and like I said, it left me feeling I can take action on this right now. And the day after the video was released, that's when I then went ahead and I started to do my own take on it and give it a good go. But then, as I've also said, he skips sort of towards the end and rushes it. He takes you 80% of the way and then leaves it there. So now I'll show you the video, the channel that I've made, the videos I've made, and we'll go from there. I'm not doing any screen recording because I've been putting this video off for a long time and I just want to get it out there. So here we go. So it's really not been long. It's been 10 days since I uploaded the video. So the video is called The Finest 5. Got that off ChatGPT. It's got 598 views, 19 hours of watch time, 598 views as it says, and 2 subscribers. It's been 10 days. I've made 4 videos, put them out there. As you can see, 215, 290, 83 and 9 views. Comments on each, likes and dislikes on all of them. So, oh, the baby is kicking off. So upon seeing all that, you genuinely tend to believe that this works. I'm getting views, I'm getting watch time, I'm getting people comment, I'm getting people react to it. It seems quite good. It leaves you feeling quite positive in the Ofsted. Now give me 2 seconds, because I did, like I said, I followed along completely, and I made an Amazon Associates account to get see if I made any money. This is the big reveal. Total earnings to date, 0, but 122 clicks. So that in itself is huge, I think. People are clicking my links, they're just not buying anything, which baby's kicking off. Hang on. Like I said, busy dad, proper working at this. So the clicks, 122 clicks in 10 days feels like a huge thing. Feels like it's working, but 10 days in, no money. Believe me, a bit iffy. So it feels like it's almost proven. And again, is that because my videos aren't as polished or as neat as Joshua's? Because he claims that he makes money after 3 days on his video. He sort of allures to it and then goes, oh, this is 3 days later. There's the money. Because also what I've noticed, Amazon Associates doesn't update until the next day, so it's not a live updating. So that's something. So with that being said, I'll put a link to the video that I made, the first one, potentially here or in the description. And I've also made a video step by step how I actually make these videos, and I don't skimp like what Joshua did towards the end. And then you can follow along and go from it. Go from there yourself. Thanks for coming back to me. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but thank you. Like and subscribe.